Hey, this is Jeff with the Malco Group, and today we're going to be doing a step-by-step install of the new Silent Plus Mini Aqua. Let's get started. For this type of install, we've taken the cover off the mini split. This allows us to get easy access to the drain line. Next, we're going to connect to the drain line. We're going to need our inlet elbow, our straight connector, and our inlet tube. For the drain connections, you're going to take your drain tube and your reservoir and dry fit it to know where the reservoir needs to sit under the system. You will then take a marker and mark the tubing so you know where to cut. We made our cut on the tube and made our connections to the reservoir, zip tying each of our connections, making sure they are secure. On the reservoir, I've installed the vent tube with a zip tie and a sticky pad under it so that we can secure the reservoir to the system. We're going to take our assembly and while bending the elbow, run it through the system, installing your drain line, making sure the reservoir is nicely mounted to the system, and zip tying this connection. Next, we're going to measure from the reservoir to where we need to mount the pump, cutting a 1/4-inch vinyl tube to size and connecting it to the reservoir using zip ties. Making sure that when we connect to the pump, we do it based on the direction of the arrows. We will then connect our 1/4-inch vinyl tube to the pump, securing with a zip tie. We will then tuck your plug and play cord and mount the pump under the unit. Next, we will connect our power from the pump to the reservoir, tucking it under the unit so it's out of the way. Here we have our 1/4-inch vinyl tubing that's running to the outside. We will be connecting it to the pump, securing it with zip ties like the other connections. Next, we have our plug and play wire that I've run through the mini split, making sure we align the connectors. Make sure to reference the manufacturer's install guide before wiring. The next generation pumps come with an internal 1-amp fuse. Refer to local electrical code to see if any additional fuses are needed. On this install, we have a white wire in terminal 1, a red wire in terminal 2, and a green wire in terminal 3. Take the gray and black wire from the pump and the white wire from terminal 1 and wire nut them together. Next, you will take the purple wire and replace it into terminal 1. Finally, we're going to take our red wire from the pump and attach it to terminal 2. Make sure to tuck the wires away and replace the faceplate. The last thing we're going to talk about is how to test your pump. First, you're going to want to turn on the power and then using a spray bottle with some water, spray water into the drain pan, allowing the pump to cycle, ensuring that all your connections are secure and everything's running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to the Malco Group or your local rep.